Hello friends, welcome to Fimes Tech. This is Realme XT smartphone. In this video, you'll learn how you can enable sound for screen recording in Realme XT smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone. Click on settings and scroll down. Click on system apps. Click on screen recording and here turn on this button allow sound recording. Yes, now sound will be recorded when you do screen recording. See here, I do screen recording. Clicking here. Yes, screen recording will be started within 3 seconds. Hello. This is Faculty Teachers website. I stop the screen recording. I play the screen recording. Listen here. Sound is also recorded. Hello. This is Faculty Teachers website. So in this way you can easily enable sound in your phone for screen recording. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye.